Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless to PC. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribe our channel and watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If you want to connect your HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless to PC, then you have option to connect USB dongle with your PC. When you connect USB dongle with your PC, then hopefully your HyperX Cloud Alpha will be connected to your PC. If headset is for some reason no longer paired to the USB adapter, then you will need to follow some steps. Plug the USB dongle into a USB port on your system, take a small pin or paper clip, push it into the reset hole on the dongle and hold it in for about 7 seconds. I will start rapidly flashing when it enters pairing mode. It will start rapidly flashing when it enters pairing mode. With your headset powered off, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Make sure to keep holding even after it power on. It should enter pairing mode a couple of seconds later and automatically connect it to the dongle. That's it. If you know they are paired, when the LED on both the headset and the dongle turns on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.